Saan nila ako dadalhin?
Veterans lang.
Saan ako dadalhin? I want to read it. Where is it?
Considering that as requested, Attorney Soraya Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the St. Luke's Medical Center in Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City.
Pero kasama ko doon.
Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SIRG Rimulya. Ano gusto niyo, ma'am?
Request
Basahin ko pa to?
Yes, yung patient. I
Ako na.
know. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician. May gusto na pala.
Meron talaga.
May facility.
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga ayaw mo
Nag-decide siya.
yung ambulance no? Deadline.
Nag-decide siya on her own. Pwede ko kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano daw?
Pasukin ng general
Ano?
cameras.
Cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga
Palapitin.
media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na.
Okay.
Go na. Go, go, go. Double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi. Hindi, huwag po na kahit si General lang nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita
Hanggang
na
lang, para
lang.
makita ng camera.
Sige mo.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
No, my big soul. Saan nila ako dadalhin?
Veterans lang.
Saan ako dadalhin? I want to read it. Where is it?
Considering that as requested, Attorney Soraya Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the St. Luke's Medical Center in Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City.
Pero kasama ko doon.
Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SIRG Rimulya. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SIRG Rimulya,
Yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
ma'am, hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SIRG John Vic Rimulya, transfer of Attorney Soraya Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visitation rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG, John V. Cremulya. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't believe in your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness, maraming witness.
Dito naman sasakay ka naman sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Andiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car.
Si Nianto.
Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, alalay mo din.
VP, baka ma'am, paano, ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Salamat,
Lalay mo, lalay. Dito, dito. Bagay yun, ay. Nakalihok na.
Thank you.